Here's the before. So I'm going to take the shed down. Next couple of days I've emptied it, and then I'm going to replace it with a combination office on one side, shed on the other side, and I'll do a video of the project as well. Okay, here's all the bits, and I've got them down the side of the house, resting up against the house, and here. Now I've got to cover it over for probably a week and a bit, hopefully no longer than that, depending on how quickly the guy can help me with the base. So I've got to extend the base on that one, and then I'll start building it as a solo project. This will be interesting. Comes in two parts. One part's 44mm, if you see them, there they are, 44mm. And the shed side of it is 19mm. Right, here we go. Okay, we're building's mostly done. I need to do the fascias, but a few problems I'm going to talk you through now. Nothing major, but see the base, all good, measured out. Maybe a little uneven, but not much. So there's enough to put the floorboards on at the one side. Then the other sides, the way they go, because they go across this way, there's nothing to lip it on. So what I'm doing is I just bought some of this from B&Q. It's only like $3.50 a strip, so nothing major. And I'm just going to fix it along the edge, screw it into the base, so I can actually rest the floorboards on it. Now I double checked it, and I think I got it right. Maybe the base is the wrong way around, I don't think so. So followed the instructions. And obviously it only fits a certain way, so it's not like I could have done it any wider, shorter cutting the base a bit. Anyway, that's one problem. The other is the door handles. So lift it up like you would to lock it, turn the key, doesn't lock. So I'm trying to get that sorted. And then this says interior, so interior, but the glass is the wrong way around. Now they say not to worry about that, but I'm still looking into that. And then in the shed part, so I've put some expanding foam, I need to tidy it up. But this bulk wasn't there. And when you follow the roof line down, you can't really see it there because I put too much foam on. I couldn't get the planks on the roof to join there, here and match there. And if I did, then the roof line wouldn't match. And I know that's a little bit back there, but that doesn't matter. That's just me correcting, me slowly going off as I did the other roof. So I basically had to put this bit of wood in, another bit I purchased. Otherwise, I couldn't have put the roof down. There was nothing to screw in. Overall though, really happy with it. Main thing, just that lock. Fix everything else. That and the glass, I'm really dubious about the glass being the wrong way. Here it is. Now I should tidy it up, but I haven't. Now look at that. I mean, it's good, but unbelievable amount of spare wood. And it's not like a Lego set when you have bits left over. Start moving in. Just gonna have a desk monitor, and I'll bring the laptop out when I'm out here then. Pretty great little building actually, really happy with it. Only thing I'd say is the shed feels like they've cheaped out a bit, but it is thinner 19mm, whereas this is 44mm, so that's probably why it stands out and looks so different. Okay, a little while later and it's almost done. So I've given it one coat of paint, needs another coat of paint. They swapped the doors now, thankfully, so doors are all good, windows are the right way, lock works. It's a mess in here. but it's just a little workshop. I just bring my laptop in and out when I work in here, and the rest is just toys. Not much. So the only thing left to do now is the alarm, which I'm doing this afternoon, and then we're done. So a few things I'm not really happy about. I wish it was 44mm on the shed as well, but in general, happy with it. I thought I'd include a few photos of the build process so you can see it. Two things I didn't cover in the video, which I think are useful for you to know, is that I did insulate the floor, and also the roof, the felt roof that was supplied was not very good. In fact, they didn't send enough first time, but when it came, I decided against it. So I've actually put a rubber roof on it, which is one big whole piece that glued onto the roof, and it's made a difference to the looks, and I think it'll just last longer. I've also coated it, 2 coats of treatment, 1 coat of colour paint, and I'll do another coat of colour paint. The customer service, I'd have to say, has been superb as well. Normally responses next working day, often same working day. Parts have been replaced and some advice given. So 10 out of 10 for customer support.